Gujarat ATS has arrested an Al-Qae-da operative from Bengaluru, which comes just days after 4 other terror operatives were arrested. Indian Army has foiled an infiltration bid along LOC under Operation Shiv Shakti, and has eliminated 2 Pakistani terrorists and recovered 3 weapons. Just few days after the delivery of Apache attack helicopters to Indian Army, China has delivered the first batch of Z-10 attack helicopters to Pakistan Army. Garden Reach Shipbuilders has successfully installed the indigenous naval surface gun on the soon-to-be commissioned second anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft of the Indian Navy. Pakistan's ISI is supporting a foundation in Nepal that is funded by Gulf nations and Turkey, which will act as a logistics hub for terror groups, using Nepal as a new front against India. Goa Shipyard Limited has launched the 6th Adamya-Class fast patrol vessel for the Indian Coast Guard. Italy's Iveco Group NV is close to selling its defense unit to Italy's Leonardo, and its commercial vehicle business to Tata Motors, with a formal announcement expected today. The Surya Command of the Indian Army will host Surya Dronathon 2025 next month in Spiti Valley, featuring one of India's highest drone obstacle courses at 10,700 feet. AXISCADES Engineering Technologies has secured a key contract to supply critical subsystems for the Virupaksha radar for the Super Sukhoi upgrade. The Indian Army has formally adopted red teaming, a method pioneered by the US and Israel to simulate adversary mindset and behavior by cognitive profiling of enemy commanders, modeling threats and tactics, and stress testing defense systems in warlike scenarios. While Hindustan Aeronautics is gearing up to test the Astra Mark 1 missile from Tejas Mark 1A aircraft from August 2025, reports indicate that software and radar upgrades are completed, that will also enable future integration of Astra Mark 2 and Astra Mark 3 variants. As the Indian Navy's SCALP stealth cruise missile order for 26 Rafale marine fighter jets is expected by 2028, the Indian Air Force is pushing for additional procurement of 560 km range SCALP to maintain regional strike superiority alongside its BrahMos missiles. India is adopting blockchain technology for the Tejas Mark II and AMCA programs to improve inventory management, supply chain tracking, preventive maintenance and data integrity. It will enable real-time tracking of high-value components, ensure traceability, prevents counterfeiting, automates procurement, reduces errors, and supports regulatory compliance. The DRDO is upgrading its smart anti-airfield weapon into a jet-powered mini-air-launched cruise missile with a range of over 200 kilometers. The enhanced version will feature a turbojet engine, additional fuel tank, and an advanced electro-optical seeker, allowing it to strike static and mobile targets with high precision, and upcoming trials in mid-2025 will validate its capabilities. According to a media report, the Indian Air Force has endorsed the US-made F-35A over Russia's Su-57, citing its combat-proven performance, stealth sensor fusion and superior air-to-air missiles. And as the F-35 is operational with over 17 nations, it will ensure logistics and support readiness, while the Su-57 faces skepticism due to past issues with the FGFA program, limited stealth, immature engines, supply risks due to sanctions on Russia, and also lacks proven combat credentials. It is to be noted that the final decision rests with the Ministry of Defense. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.